And I know I've been doing a filler video, so I've been doing the 188, 189, and 190. So I will just continue rambling about the things that I did and talked to with the AI. And it goes back to this emotional vulnerability, or letting my emotions um or letting me myself be disappointed, letting me feel the failure, and not being ashamed of it. So she or he, the AI, suggests that I need to be prepared to be, what they call this, fail. I need to be a failure. If I'm ashamed of it, I should be doing or failing at private first. So whenever I feel like, I'm doing something, I feel like I am ashamed of doing something that I'm not good at in public, so I might as well try and fail. So one of the things that I'm currently doing is a calisthenics. I've been doing a handstand, or wall handstand push-up, and I was not able to do 3 successful push-up because of my core strength. It's not really that improved yet, and I'm also ashamed to do the Superman exercise, as well as the long body hold, so, or hollow body. So I will be incorporating that moving forward, but it might take a little bit of time. So I was thinking of intensity versus what they call this, repetition. So I might think of doing the things extremely, and then rest a little shorter than I usually do, and then, you know see how it goes. Because right now, I think I sleep around 5 minutes, just to keep my skin open, because I do work out before so it consumes a lot of my time in my um lunchtime, and eventually I'm gonna need a lot of things that I want to improve. But yeah, I just need to be vulnerable. I need to expect that failure comes as easy as, achievement, or not really as easy, but you just need to start something, expect yourself that you're not gonna be good at it, and that is fine. And overall, that's what I can share right now.